Video is brought to you by ODSD, and I want to show you this electronic lunchbox. First of all, this is such a great idea. Comes in this really neat insulated package. Here's the lunchbox itself. Comes with a fork and a spoon. Open it up like this. Here's the top. Here's the inside. Put your food in there. Food also in here. Put the top on it. Lock it down. You may want to open the vent hole a little bit on top here. Push the button about an hour before you got to eat lunch, and this food in here will be nice and hot for you. Rechargeable. Just plug it in. And you got yourself a nice lunchbox that heats up your food. Okay, I got my rechargeable lunchbox right here. Taking out the pan, I'm gonna put me some stew in it. Right in the pan, we just washed it, just cleaned it. 50, 60 minutes before lunchtime, push this button, let it heat up. For the day. They smell that. It's lunchtime. Nice and hot inside. I open this up. I didn't put anything in the top container, but I do have a spoon in here that they send with you. Open the bottom container, which is where I have my stew. Nice and warm.